Whatever you do, do it well. Learn JavaScript, and JavaScript. Welcome to your very first JavaScript tutorial. Now, for those of you who have no idea what JavaScript is, so JavaScript is basically a scripting language used to make web pages more interactive. Before I begin and we start typing JavaScript, you need a couple of things. The first thing you need is a text editor. I'm going to use Notepad++, but you can also use other text editors also. So another thing that you need is a basic knowledge of HTML. So let's go ahead. First of all, we will create our HTML skeleton. After that, in the body tag, we have to write our JavaScript code. And to do so, we first need a new tag named as script tag. There are like 50 different types of scripting languages. JavaScript is one of them, so when our browser comes across this code, we need to tell it that we are going to be working with JavaScript. So in order to tell our browser, we need to give it an attribute called type, and we set this equal to text/JavaScript. And in between these tags is where you are going to be typing all of your JavaScript code. Let's write a simple program. Document.write and parentheses with a semicolon. I know you guys don't understand what this document really, why we had parentheses or why we even have a semicolon at the end, but let's go ahead and save this and go ahead and you can press launch in Chrome. That's probably all I need to teach you guys for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are probably gonna be talking about comments and variables. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos and I will see you in the next tutorial.